day was here, 48 miles for one, 13.1 miles for the other. Lay flat completed with the help of our furry friends Claude and Russ. Quick breakfast, down to the quay, and stood around waiting for the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ellie made good time on the first section through to St Catherine's Breakwater, and the tarmac was soon replaced with the up and down rockiness of the north coast of Jersey. This is a section where it saps your quads, your hamstrings are screaming, and all you want to do is sit down and stop.
Go on, Ellen! Woo! Carrot is just up there. Yeah.
Over the other side of the island, Team 2 were just about to start their 13.1 miles.
So here we are at the start of the half marathon. It's not looking very nice.
And it's not so bad around there, so and you'll
When I signed up, I was so worried about 11 o'clock and the heat.
Yeah, if it was last year, you would have been worried.
Yeah, it would have been melting.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Thankfully the rain had stopped by the time the race started from the water splash. However, the wind was still very strong. It was going to be difficult conditions all day. It wasn't long before the faster runners pulled away and the bunch turned into a long line. By the time most had climbed up to the first headland, coats were jettisoned. Although it was wet, it was still very warm. Compared to the north of the island, the south coast of Jersey is quite flat. However, there are more than enough ups to get the heart pumping.
– 7 kilometres in and a view like that. What could be better?
Slowly, ever so slowly, the miles ticked by. The ups were followed by downs, the downs were followed by ups. As time went on, the weather did improve and the support team readied themselves for the first meet-up for encouragement.
Just getting my flask, I wouldn't fancy running.
Claude, what do you think?
There's a
On the half marathon course, the runners had reached St Brelot. The tide was in, so they weren't able to take advantage of running on the sand, and all that was left for them was the steep climb out of the bay.
So there in the distance is St Helier, my end point. Not too far. All right?
Yeah, you alright?
Yeah, good.
Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, keep going.
See you at the end.
Yeah.
Thank you. Woo! Lost your hat. Thank you.
You half or full marathons? You half or full?
There you go, buddy.
Thank you very much.
Medal there for you, okay? All right, how was that for you?
Keep going.
So I'm here with Ellen. It's 24 hours now after her epic adventure running around the coastline of Jersey. How do you think the race and the whole overall experience went?
The race went well. The weather was interesting. I think when I booked it, I was thinking sun, potentially a bit of heat stroke were going to be the risks, but it was very windy, very wet. The sun came out for about 10 minutes, which was nice, and then the wind and wet returned. But overall, I'd say it was a great experience. However, the sickness which followed afterwards was not the best. So that was a new race experience for me as well, and unfortunately missed out on my most important, post-race meal.
And how did you find the support team on this race?
The support team were excellent. They obviously came with their inflatables and flags, which they normally do, and they were very supportive with the post-race unwellness that took place.
That's good. And do you think you'd do it again?
I'll have to get back to you on that one.
Thank you very much, Ellen, for that race report, and we'll see you again.